Welcome to Let's Walk, Florida. I'm Dorothy Lee, Family and Consumer Science Agent, University of Florida, Institute Food and Agricultural Sciences, Escambia County. And with Let's Walk, Florida and exercising, oftentimes we might need a small energy snack. And so today I'm going to prepare a granola. It's high in energy and provides a lot of energy for us. And it's easy, portable, so you can carry it with you. It's one of those grab and go recipes that provides a lot of energy for just a very small amount of the snack. So as you can see, I have quite a few ingredients here on display. And this is a quick and easy granola. And the first thing I'm going to do is start with measuring some quick cooking oats, and the recipe that I'm using calls for about 4 cups of what we call rolled oats or old-fashioned oats. So we're going to measure those into our bowl. Okay. All right. And we're going to set those aside for now. And the next step is putting together what we call the stuff that kind of sticks it together. And I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of honey. About 2 tablespoons of honey. And a good way to measure your honey is if you have some cooking spray, baking spray, is go ahead and spray your container, and that'll help it come out a little bit easier. A little bit of vanilla, and today instead of using regular flavored vanilla, I'm using maple flavored vanilla so that it will add just a little bit of different flavor to it. We need salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then some cinnamon, about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to thoroughly mix all of these ingredients together until all of the honey is mixed in and our spice, our cinnamon, is mixed. Okay, and the next step is we want to combine a liquid mixture with our oats. So gradually pour the mixture, the liquid mixture, into our oats and make sure that the oats are thoroughly coated. Okay. Now, while mixing the liquid in with the oats, we could also add some nuts. Almonds are great. Slivered almonds would be great, and you would add these at this time. When we finish baking, we can add some other ingredients to our granola. Okay. It's very important to make sure that it's thoroughly mixed. I have a 9 by 13 baking sheet, and I'm going to cover it with parchment paper. Cover our pan with the parchment paper and then spread our oatmeal, our oats, and our mix. We want to make sure that it's evenly spread so that it'll cook thoroughly. Okay, we'll spread it out. Okay. All right, now we're ready to put our granola into the oven at 275 degrees, and we're going to cook it actually for an hour. The first 20 minutes we're going to stir, and then at 20 minutes intervals we're going to stir for an hour. So that'll be 3 intervals for 20 minutes. And at the end of the hour, it'll be nice and brown, and we'll remove it from the oven and can add some raisins, and we could add some cranberries and so forth to it to make it your own. So that's our wonderful granola. It's wonderful for breakfast in a smoothie. It would be great if you added it to a parfait, or you could take it on the go just for a quick snack on the run. It provides a lot of energy, a lot of fiber, and so forth.